Welcome to the channel. Here we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. Now copy this ID URL, paste over here. Now here you can see this source control button. Just click on it, click on Clone Repository, and simply come to the lab instructions. Copy the first code, paste over here, hit enter. Now once you see the directory like this, just click on OK, click on Open. Yes, I trust the authors. Now click on this terminal, new terminal. Now I've shared this file in the description box. From here, first of all, we change the directory. Right click, allow, hit enter, enable the web for Flutter project. Right click, hit enter. Now after that, we have to just create the project, which we have just now enabled. Hit enter. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Once the app is created, it will look like this. Okay. Now simply come over here and just run this command to start the server. I use right click. Okay. Now once it is started, you have to come over here, go to library sections. From here, first of all, we'll just open the login.dart file, make sure it is opened. Now just copy the entire content and we have to paste it over here. If you try to paste directly, it won't work. So first of all, click on I button. You can see insert is activated. Now come down to the bottom. From here, drag your mouse cursor and remove everything and then simply paste it. Now once you have done this thing, you have to just click on this file and just save it. Now after that we have to open home dot dart. Okay, home dot dart. We have to repeat the same process. Press I button, come down, replace entire content. You have to press I button and once the insert is showing then only you'll be able to modify the file. Now just scroll down a bit, copy it, paste over here, file and just save it. Once it is saved, you have to come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And if you're not getting the score, just restart the lab. Okay. And if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. How to enable check my progress bar. Now you can simply end the lab.